Gotta prepare before leaving office.
The city never sleeps, even as darkness comes.
Hope I reach my station before getting dark.
It is so dark.
Can I survive if the city goes dark? Miles from home, no power, no communication.
Light is life.
A multi-tool solves many problems.
Care for wounds keeps you going.
Water can be found everywhere.
The knife has many uses for survival.
In the darkness, I will find my way.
Light is essential. It helps in the dark and avoiding hazards.
Using the map to get my bearings.
My finger traces a route.
The turnstile is jammed.
Now to use my multi-tool.
Using the pliers to manipulate the mechanism. It clicks open.
Ouch, I scraped myself on some metal. Luckily, I have my first aid kit. Cleaning the wound with antiseptic. Applying a bandage to protect it.
A public fountain.
Now I must ensure that my water source is safe to drink.
I'll add a purification tablet, just to be safe.
Patience is key. Even a little peace of mind helps. A knife is vital for practical tasks.
Finding the right cordage could save my life.
Or worse still, be a last resort for self-defense.
My ankle is hurting, and I need to keep moving.
Branches will make a splint to support it.
I'll use my cordage to make it stable.
What's happening at the end of the line?
I am getting closer and closer to the source.
Something tells me this isn't good.
I will have to find a path forward.
Light leads the way. Footsteps echo in the dark.
Fear grips them. Hope flickers in their eyes.
Home. A sanctuary from the chaos outside.
Safe. For now, the nightmare ends here.
The light returns to its place, ready for the next trial.
The tool is retired, but its tasks are not yet done.
A token of healing. A hope for the wounded.
Life's elixir. Clean water brings more.
Sharp edge of survival. Ready to defend.
Prepare. Adapt. Stay calm. The keys to urban survival. A beam in the night. Knowledge is power.
Adaptability is key to any obstacle ahead.
Care for the wounded. Healing begins here.
Hydration is vital, sustaining strength.